All right, Pyros. Sorry it's been a minute since my last stash update. You gotta bear with me. Last part of this year has been a shit show for me. Had a little bit of health problems there for a while too, but I'm good now. Plan is I still got a couple hoodies, and then I got some more of these clown posters. We'll do a giveaway right after Christmas, at the beginning of the year. I'll get that stuff sent out. Just make sure you're subscribed to me, Y&K Gibbs, and Explosive. That's the only stipulation I have. If you can, go subscribe to Y&K Gibbs and Explosive and try to get their subscribers up. I'd appreciate you going and showing them some love. Man, it's been a long process. I spent over a month moving all stuff out of storage, organizing stuff. Ugh, my God. I'll start with my shelf that I just finished. Got a lot of my boxes. Some of those are full. Took me a long time to get all that US pre-band stuff. Got some old Apollo stuff. Look at that. Badass motherfucking Euros. Yeah, we'll do some demos on some of that stuff sometime soon too. Need to get some more Euro stuff, and we'll do some real nice demos with that. But obviously you can see all this stuff on the shelf. It's all like my prized possessions. A little stack over here. Look at those. Of course, you probably know what those are. Got a few back there. Badass holy food cake, and then zombie tsunami. Look at that bad motherfucker there. Of course, you got that there too. Very nice. Get some more stuff down here. As you can see, this has been a very time-consuming task. Got 3 more shelves. Eventually I'll get to getting all those organized. Got some other stuff over here stacked up. Look at that bad motherfucker there. Master Rose Bowl. Here I got a bunch of other loose cakes that I pulled out. I got a bunch of stuff I'm gonna demo sometime soon. Speaking of demos, all ground salutes and badass shit. Probably use the rocket rack. We'll tie all these to strings, blow some shit up. Plus I got some other stuff we're gonna blow up too. Stay tuned for that. And try to get all that done before New Year's. Hopefully the weather will approve. Down there you got Break the Piggy, Picasso, got Top G, a couple of cases of Fire Sale down here. Nice new shirt I got from Operator Pyro. Appreciate you, bro. Very nice shirt. Here I got some more loose cakes. I plan on demoing a bunch of this stuff. You guys, sorry, I just been busy. I haven't had the time to get a lot of this stuff done. And it hasn't helped. The last part of the year has been a shit show for me, so of course wanted to show you guys this bad boy right here. Look at this bad boy here. Very nice. Yeah, this is massive too. There's some other cakes too. Down here we got the OG Rat Bastard, the game we play. I got Jafar down there. Over here we got Stoned Age, Master Party, all that. Some more 66 shots, Snakehead, War Party. There's Lowrider, King of the Block, Original Brian Song, Y 5.0, Pushing the Powder, Sozo, Superman. Look at this bad boy right here. I hate to demo that. Some other stuff over here. Had to move all my rockets around, so this is all just loose shells over here. And then, shit, I got probably at least 25 cases of rockets. It's ridiculous. You get all this stuff back here. Moved all the NOABs and everything over. You gotta level the playing field back here. Got some other cakes I still gotta move around back here. All those containers are full of rockets. You got some more shells over here. Got a bunch of collectible stuff. And you other Pyros collect, hit me up. Got a bunch of different kind of stuff. Definitely do some trades too if that's what you're looking to do. Some of my favorites right here. OG Rambos. These bad boys, I was really happy with these. Got some other cakes up here. You got a Euro cake over there. Kishi Nightmare, badass cake. This Apocalypse is a real nice too. You got some Seeing Double over there. Some of the Super Rockets. I got an old case of the Mars Rockets. You can see that up there. And then you got a bunch of BDH cakes back there, like All In, Against All Odds, Nuclear Man. Got Wild Things over here. There's another Euro cake I haven't had a chance to demo yet. So stay tuned for that. I have a lot of stuff coming up here soon. Another Euro cake. Some badass little mini canisters. Got some other stuff I haven't got to demo yet. Stay tuned for that. Just wanted to give you Pyros update when I had a chance and show you that obviously I've been just a little busy. Oh, here's some other badass rockets. I love these rockets and the Master Ballistics for two of the best recent rockets that have come out that I like. If you Pyros see those, definitely want to stock up on those. Some more Dark Sides, a bunch of other stuff back there. Some more older cakes down there. Got a bunch of shells I plan on demoing. Might get a chance. Some Cock Awakens, some zombie shells. You got some super stingers. You got some more masters over here. These are supposed to be just like the 18 death shells, so I'll do a demo of those as soon as I can. I'll try to get that done for you guys before New Year's if possible. Some kryptonite shells over here. Some more anarchy shells. Look at that. Very nice. I was happy to find that. Got more of the, I got your 6 shells here. Some of the 6-inch bad donkeys. I got a bunch of other shells, probably like a whole entire trash bag full of some older shells too. We'll do some demos and stuff with that. Alright, Pyros. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.